Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna solve this problem and show you the easiest and standard solution of this problem. But before starting, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Let's get started. A lot of students do a mistake here by squaring both sides and facing a big trouble. This is a mistake, as I mentioned, because there is a solution, there is easier solution of this problem. I have to mention that we have to see that the subtraction of these expressions will give us this expression. So if we will say that this will be a, this will be b, this will be a minus b. I'll just rewrite it. X squared plus 5x plus 3 minus x squared minus 3x minus 2 will give us 2x plus 1. X squared will be cancelled, and here it will be 2x, and this will give us 1. So we can say that this is, we can exchange these expressions by a and b. So square root of a minus square root of b will be equal to a minus b. Next step is to know that a minus b will give us square root of a minus square root of b times square root of a plus square root of b. This is obvious, and we can just cancel these two expressions and get that square root of a minus square root of b has to be equal to 0. Because if we will write down that square root of a minus square root of b here, and minus, if we will subtract from the both sides a minus b, we'll get that square root of a minus square root of b and square root of a plus square root of b will be equal to 0. And here it is obvious that if we will factorize these expressions, we'll get that square root of a minus square root of b times 1 minus here square root of a plus square root of b. And if this expression is equal to 0, each of them have to be equal to 0. So here square root of a minus square root of b have to be equal to 0. And here the answer will be a equals to b. And a and b are the positive integer numbers, positive numbers. This is the first answer, but instead of a and b, we have to plug these expressions. Before doing that, we have to solve the second expression by equaling to 0. So square root of a plus square root of b have to be equal to 1. Here, again, a lot of students can do squaring, but this is again a mistake because we have the first where is it, the first equation here, where was it, here we have square root of a minus square root of b first, the first equation, a minus b. If we will solve the simultaneous equations, we can just find the sum, and it will be 2 square root of a, square root of b and square root of b will be cancelled, and we'll get that 1 a minus b plus 1, you can say. And instead of a minus b, we can what shall we do here? just plugging the expression instead of square root of a minus b here. Yeah, you can just plug these expressions. We'll get 2x plus 1. Here, 2 square root of a will be equal to 2x plus 1 plus 1, and this will give us plus 2. And we can divide it by 2. Square root of a has to be equal to x plus 1. Here we can plug into square root of a this expression, and we'll get the square root of x squared plus 5x plus 3 has to be equal to x plus 1. Now we can square it. X squared plus 5x plus 3 has to be equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. Here I will write square, and we can cancel these expressions, and we'll get 3x will be equal to minus 2, and x is equal to minus 2 over 3. If we will plug into this expression, we'll get a positive number, and again the positive number here, so this can be our answer. This is true. Okay, the next one is that a equals to b. Where's our a? I'll just copy it here. So a equals to b. The next one, let me write it here. So x squared plus 5x plus 3 equals to x squared plus 3x plus 2. And again, we can cancel these expressions, and we'll get 2x will be equal to minus 1. I guess so. So we'll subtract from both sides 3x and x squared, and again 3, and we'll get minus 1 here, 0, 0, 2x, yeah. And our second answer will be 1 over 2, minus 1 over 2. And we can summarize by rewriting the answer. Answer will be 2 minus 2 over 3 and minus 1 over 2. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, press the like button, and see you in the next videos.